tomorrow I'm going to set it from here and start the 500 kilometers from Bukhara to the next city, which is Khiva. And there's one town, small town from here, about 100 kilometers away, and apart from that there's nothing else on the map. So I went to a little store, picked up some supplies. I'm going to pack up my stuff tonight, and then I'll try and get on the road nice and early and see how many kilometers we can cover tomorrow and see how quickly we can do this stretch of desert. So I didn't get off to the start I wanted for my crossing of this desert. Got up, packed all my bags onto the bike, and then realised I had a flat tyre. Had to unpack all my bags off the bike, fix the flat tyre, and repack everything. Well, that's me on the road now, a little bit later than I wanted to be, but it's okay. Headwinds really starting to pick up now. Back down at about 12 kilometers an hour. Really kind of struggling into it. It's going to be a long slog. Okay, so that's the end of my first day attempting to cross this desert. It's not been an easy day. It's been pretty tough. Started out with a puncture first thing this morning, then really bad roads, then when the roads got better the headwind really picked up, and then trying to set my tent and get blown away in the wind. So it's been a day of challenges, but I've got it set up now. My tent's set up now. I've got a nice sheltered bit by this tree. Other positives, it's not started raining yet, which is good, but there is a big dark cloud above my head just now, so that might change as well. So this seems like as good a spot as any to set up camp for night 2 in the desert. Not been a great day, not covered a lot of ground, a couple of punctures to deal with, brutal strong headwind, but not really much I can do about it now, so I'm going to set up camp. I'm going to try and get a little campfire going tonight so I'm not so cold. This is like the romantic ideal that people have of cycling through the desert. Nice campfire going, dinner's on the stove, and warm, not freezing cold. Yeah, it's much better, much more like it. Day 3 in the desert. That's this sun just starting to come up. I've not been able to get out my sleeping bag before the sun comes up because it's too cold. And it's moments like this that really make it. enjoying the heat of the fire in the middle of the desert underneath like a big starry sky. Yeah, you can't beat that. Cooking the porridge up on the fire this morning. Getting a little bit of heat off the fire. That's always a good way to start the day. The sun's come up, the sun's come out, it's a bit warmer, I'm feeling good. There was a tour bus stopped, a German guy got out and gave me a banana. Thanks Marcus. Now I'm going to make a little desert snacky snack. I'm on the home straight, pretty much made it across the desert, feeling good. And I just got a signal for the first time in a couple of days there, and seeing that my Auntie Shirley and the people in her work have been doing amazing fundraising and just adding a nice big chunk to the balance. So I want to say a big massive thank you to my Auntie Shirley and everybody in her work who's been working so hard to raise loads of money for Achieve More. That's what it's all about. So that's me just arriving in Kiva now. It's been some slog through the desert. Some really tough times, but also some of the best times probably I've had on this trip, like camping out in the desert at night. But yeah, looking forward to a shower and a warm bed tonight.